Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but not like showing icon on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is connected but you're not getting any icon here, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So now to fix that, you just have to open your settings, go for general, and you have to go for software update and try to update your software. After updating software, go back. Try to enable and disable your plane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back and try to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until that screen goes fully black. So let's start this. You have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, just unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open Settings app, go for General. Very first, you can try to forget this network and try to reconnect. So after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, go for General. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, it will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue must have to be fixed, and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.